Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and super helpful guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix the not enough free disk space error on Steam. One of the most annoying issues that pops up when you're trying to install or update a game. Don't worry, by the end of this video, your Steam will be running perfectly again. Let's jump right in. First, open up Steam and on the top left corner, click on Steam Arrow Settings. From the menu on the left, go to Downloads. Now, scroll down and click on Clear Download Cache. This step is really important. It clears out any corrupted or outdated files that might be blocking your downloads or installations. Once you do this, Steam will automatically restart, so don't panic if it closes for a moment. That's completely normal. Manage storage locations. After Steam restarts, go back into Settings, Storage. Here, you'll see all your storage drives listed. If your main drive is running low on space, simply add or select another drive, like an external hard drive or another internal disk with more free space. This tells Steam to install or update games on a drive that actually has room, and it's one of the quickest ways to stop that not enough space warning for good. Repair the Steam library folder finally. While still in the Storage tab, look for the three dots next to your selected drive. Click that and choose Repair Library Folder. Steam will now scan for any corrupted files or directory errors in your game library. This might take a few minutes, but it's worth it. Once complete, you'll have a clean, healthy Steam library with no more installation errors. And that's it. You've just fixed the not enough free disk space error on Steam in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!